How to activate public bank credit card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate public bank credit card online. For that, you want to open up any web browser, then head over to pbebank.com. Now, you want to click on the login option, then click on the PBE option. Now, over here, you will have to log into your account. For that, enter your user ID, then click on the next option. The next step is to enter your password. Go ahead and do that. Once you enter the password, click on the login option. If the details you have entered are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the reset password option. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to navigate to the credit card section. Then from there, click on the activate option. Now, follow the on-screen prompts in order to activate your credit card. Once you enter all the necessary details and follow the instructions, your public bank credit card will be successfully activated. Once the credit card has been activated, you will be notified via SMS or email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.